Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the perspective view of a hexagonal prism of base side 20 mm and height 50 mm, and it is resting on its side face or lateral face on the ground plane, and the base face is touching the picture plane. The station point is located 30 mm in front of the picture plane, 60 mm above the ground plane, and 40 mm to the right from the axis of the prism. Okay, so at first we have to draw the ground line. First we are drawing the ground line. Now we have to draw the hexagon. So the base face will be above the ground line, and the side face we can see it on the top view. We mark the 20 mm here. Then we have to take 120-degree inclination on both sides. Now the hexagon is completed. Now we have to mark the top view. The height is 50 mm. Now we have to draw the picture plane. So the base face is touching the picture plane. So the picture plane comes on this line itself. So this is the ground line. This is the picture plane. Now we have to mark the station point. Before that we have to give the names. So this is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash. So here this will be A1, F1, B1, E1, C1, D1, and here will be A, F, B, E, C, D. The back side, the A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, E1 dash, F1 dash. Now we have to locate the station point. The station point is 40 mm to the right, so we have to mark it here. Before that we have to mark the center. So this is the axis line. By joining these points, we mark 30 mm in front and 40 mm to the right. And it is 60 mm above the ground plane. So we mark the 60 mm here and draw a line. So this is the station point top view. Here station point front view. Now we have to mark visual rays to every corners. A, E, B, C, last D. Since the picture plane is touching the base face, the A, F, B, E, C, D is this figure itself. Now we only need to draw the back side, that is the A1, F1, B1, E1, C1 and D1. So mark these corners to the station point. And give the names here. So this is A, here F, B, E, C and D. We have to draw lines perpendicular . So A point comes here to A, thin line. Then F and B, check the perpendicular and will go for the F, and here it's B, thin lines. Now E and C, check the perpendicular. Yes, plot the E. So this is the E and this is the C. Lastly the D. Check the perpendicular D. So we get the lines over here. So A, here it's A1, B, here it is B1, C, C1, D, D1, E, E1 and F1. So we get the points. Now we have to mark the lines. Here we marking the E and F. D, the point. That will be hidden. So we can mark the hidden edges also here from here. This will be hidden. So the visible lines will be like this. AF, AB, BC, CD, DE, DEF, then D to D, F to F1, E to E1, and remaining the lines E1 F1 and E1 D1. So this is the visible edges. Now we have to mark the hidden with dotted lines. A, F, the next dotted line A to B, and B to B, B1, B, the next one B and C, C1 to C, then C and D. So This is the perspective view of the hexagonal prism. Now we have to mark the dimensions. Here the given dimensions are 30 mm in front, the height is 50, it's 40, you can see the height here is 60. The picture plane is touching the base face. Base side 20. Thank you.